Hi everyone, I uncovered my 14-foot sea nymph from the winter, getting ready to go fishing. And I uncovered some surprises. But anyways, the boat looks good. I got it registered up here in Maine, got the plates on, got new tires, so let me show you around. Everything looks really nice. Look at that. New shiny tires down there. And coming around the back, got it registered, so she's all ready to go. But I did come up with a few problems, or uncovered them. Let's go ahead in the front and I'll show you. Right over here, are you ready for this? I pulled the wires out and they've been chewed. Chewed right here, almost all the way through. And these are chewed all the way through. So, not going to be able to plug it in. I don't know if it was eaten by rats or squirrels or small children. Tell me in the comments what you think. So that's the first problem. And then the second thing I need to deal with is my oars. Okay, as you know, I have a, well, if you remember when I got the boat, it came with, way back there, I have it still in the garage, but an 8 horsepower Yamaha motor, which I need to work on. And was it Yamaha? I believe it was Yamaha. Anyways, I need to work on that, have to get it repaired. But the paddles, now they're kind of raw. This is how I got them, and you can see, matter of fact, you can almost see right between the cracks. Okay, you can see it's kind of opening. And the whole thing, nice and shiny here, kind of worn out quite a bit here, and worn out quite a bit here. So, that's one. And here's the other. If you can see, it's kind of like cracked over here. So my question is, how do I repair these or restore them? Do I put fiberglass cloth over it, which I don't think is going to make it real smooth? Do I just cover it with my epoxy resin? Do I just sand it down and varnish it? Or are there any other tricks that I'm not aware of? So please let me know in the comments, how would you repair the paddles? Because I'm going to take care of the wiring, then I'm going to work on the paddles before I get the motor done, because I have no idea who's going to fix the motor. There's not a lot of small engine repair or electronic repair shops around, but I'll find that. But in the meantime, I want to take this thing out with the paddles and row with it a little bit. In fact, I had some oar locks. I don't know where they went to either, so I might have to buy some the oar locks here to go right in. Here, I got the holes. I just don't have the thingies, you know. Is that the proper name, the thingies? So, getting ready to go. I'm anxious just to get out and do a little fishing, even if I have to paddle out a little bit. So, or row out a little bit. So anyways, that's what I had for you. Let me know what you think about the wires. I do have another harness, wire harness somewhere, but it goes for my other trailer. It seems way too small. But if I have to, I can cut the end of that and put it on here. But I still haven't uncovered the panga, so I don't know what that trailer looks like. The rats might have gone underneath there and eaten those wires too. You'll see that in the next video. Let me know what you think. Let's see who's right. In the comments, say, this is how you fix those wires, and I bet your other one is eaten. I want to see who's right, who's wrong. We'll take bids right now. If you're wrong, you buy me another boat. With that, thanks for watching, getting excited for fishing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.